Welcome back my viewers, welcome back my subscribers, welcome back to all who are do. Hope you all doing great, hope you all doing well. As we said, the video them now go regular like one time cause the work's there already. But from the things them new, we will post it. Okay viewers? So big up to all who are do. So in this video now we are going to show you them install a digital clock in Morant base St. Thomas, and this is a two-side clock. So if you're coming from the library side, because this is on Queen Street, if you're coming from the library side, you can see it from that side, and if you're coming from NCB side, you can see it. So you can stay both sides and see this clock, viewers and subscribers. So that's what they are doing. This is the first digital clock to be installed in St. Thomas in Morant Bay. And this is a good look. So if you're up this side anytime at all, night or day, and you don't have your phone on your phone dead, you don't have to ask somebody what time it is at the day or what time it is at the night, because this clock is there to show you, this is a good look. It's a beautiful thing and we love it. So you don't know what to do, so just do it. Hope you all enjoy the video. Bless upon yourself, continue watching. Manners. And the next thing, my people, it's high enough. So even if I chuck a pass, the truck cannot touch it. So you don't have to fret on that. It have to be a truck with a real excess amount of load, and if you have that load, you cannot drive up in the town. You understand? So this is a real good look for the parish. So hope you all enjoy it. I want to know if you do like, comment and share. If you're new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When I do so, just turn on that post notification bell. Put it on all so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed up on the video, so watch your mouth for me now, please. Manners and thanks for doing so. Bless upon yourself, viewers. As we say, from the thing them new, we drop them. So subscribe to the channel because we know we see what's going on in the development of St. Thomas. Bless up. So as you can see, that's it. That's how it look, my people. That's how it look, viewers and subscribers. In the night, cause it's about, that is the wrong time, cause that's about after 10, but that's giving you the wrong time for now, and I'm gonna set it. So as you can see, that's how it look, viewers and subscribers. So as we say, you know what to do, so just do the door, open the wall, enjoy it. A lot of us was on the ground try to catch it so that you people can see it. That side I show you 11:39, and when you're checking out, viewers, on the next side, the next side is show you, look what the next side I show you, 10:35. So you have to go set them, set the two side and match them up, make it two side at the same time. So now that I come to the end of another video, hope you all like it and see what's going on in St. Thomas. Hope you all give me a like to the like button if you all press it up, man, like up the video, and do not afraid to leave a comment. So bless upon yourself, hope you all enjoy. Manners and respect. Thank you all. See you people in the next video, Safe travel, pan the gravel.